Hi, good evening all. Welcome back to a new video. If you're watching me for the first time, please do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? And after watching this video, if you feel it really interesting, please do share it with your friends. And don't forget to comment, okay? Let's get into this video. So, in my comment box, I have got recently 3 or 4 queries, not 3 or 4, more than that, okay? So students, like those who are doing their final year and those who have completed their graduation, they were asking me like, ma'am, I'm a non-life science graduate, can I do medical coding? This was a question, okay? For that question, here I'm giving you the answer, so don't ask this question again. This is what, okay? So we'll move on to the video. Can a non-life science graduate do medical coding, or can he or she work as a medical coder? Fine. So this is a question. Answer for this is anyone can do medical coding. There is no restriction like only these people can do, only that people can do, nothing like that. In my previous video, I have clearly mentioned, please life science graduate only enroll for this course. Why I said this? Because the reason you will get it here, okay? So being a non-life science graduate, if you have real interest to medical coding, you can do it. There is no restriction in that. But one thing you should, you should get a clarity. What is that is, like additional certification, it is good. Okay, learning new things, it is good. But to get a job, that is really difficult. And when you consider this, like if you are a non-life science graduate, like you might be an engineer, or you might be from B.E English or B.E Maths or something like that, okay? So if you do this course, you will be investing a certain amount. Like for doing this training program, the course fee will be some 25 to 30,000 cost, okay? After that, you need, by studying only the basic course, there is no value in that. You need to do the certification, right? For that, you need to appear for the exam. The exam cost is nearly 58,000, okay? So total cost like 58,000 plus your training cost and your question paper printout, book printout, that, this and all, it comes around 1 lakh. Just a fixed amount, okay? You're investing nearly 1 lakh into a course, and if you're not getting a job, how do you feel? What impression will you give about this course to other candidates or other friends whom those people who are seeking for this job? What will be your opinion about this if you don't get a job? That's what, like non-life science graduates, I won't say like 100% they won't get job. Nothing like that. There are few companies, 1 or 2 companies are there, those who take this non-life science graduate people, okay? But what is the thing is, the stress, like the workload will be more. Automatically, you will drop the job and you will go. Like if you are a life science graduate, you will find it easy because the terminologies, medical terms, everything will be easy for you. Or else you should prepare your mind according to that. Like whatever the stressful situation is, I'll work for it. I'll overcome it. I'll learn something new. Like that, if you prepare your mind, it's good. But being a non-life science graduate, investing this much amount, that will be a question mark, right? Like why we people learn more courses, or we do new courses? What is the need for that? The ultimate need is we need to work for it, or we need a job out of it, right? So by investing this money and not getting a job, that will take you to disappointment. So better non-life science graduate, understand one thing, you can do this course if you're really interested. But getting a job, 99%, there is no hope. Only 1% there is a hope. Understand this thing and work for it. And second thing I want to tell you, like many of them have commented me, like the training academies are providing, they told me like non-life science students can also study. See, anyone will tell you, okay, you have to use your mind. For what Google is there, research, do your research and see, like I'm a BSc Max graduate. If I do medical coding, what will happen? Will I get job? Or else if a training academy is calling you, ask them like, ma'am, in what all companies they are recruiting non-certified coders. So is there any non-certified people already placed from your side? You just put your queries like this. So they will give you an answer, right? And do one thing, do your homework also. Don't completely depend on the training academy and tell like they promised me, they didn't give me job. Don't do like that, okay? That is a bad habit. Do one thing. If the training academy can only train you, they can teach you, that's it. What is the thing? They will teach you. They can't pick you up and go and place in some other company, right? So don't completely depend on them and start blaming them. That is not a good thing. So what is your need? You need to study that. What is the course that you want to study? Study it completely, understand the thing. If you don't understand, take time, ask them, get clarification and study everything. When you complete the course, just see like whatever things you have learned, whether you are satisfied with the course. Just think like that, okay? After that, do your research work. You start searching for companies. There are a lot of medical coding companies are there, okay? Start searching and you go directly and you just apply there and see. You should do your work from your side also. If you are really lucky being a non-life science graduate, you will get a job. There is nothing like I'm not discouraging you that you won't get job and all. Nothing like that. You will get it. But you should try very hard, because most 99% of the company are recruiting only life science graduates, because of that will make their work easy. That is the thing, okay? For that they are doing that. So from your side you also try. There is 1% chance, right? That is good. So if you are trying hard, you will be a one person, or you will be that luckiest person among that to get a job, okay? So medical coding is a very good field, and if you don't get job also, don't regret for that. After studying the course, don't regret for that. You have learned something new. Additionally, you have added a certification, or additionally you have done a course which is adding value to your graduation, right? So get satisfied in that way also if you don't get job. Fine. So now the question is clear. Being a non-life science graduate, will I get job or not? 99% no, 1% there is hope. Okay, this is what I wish to communicate with you. Hope so you all understood. So don't worry or don't regret for anything. Okay, already enrolled students will be there, those who are completed will be there. Like that, many things might have happened. Okay, so whatever happened, that has happened. Don't regret for anything. Be happy, move forward, try from your side. Without trying, we cannot gain anything. So try from your side, put your hard work. There is a chance. There is 1% chance is there, which can take you to a correct pathway. Hope so you all understood what I have communicated now. If you really liked my video, please do share it with your friends. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to add up your suggestion also. And thank you so much. Thank you for your time, for sitting and watching my video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye. Take care.